Welcome to the incredible world of the world's most powerful cutter suction dredger and land reclamation machines. In this video, we'll take you on a journey into the impressive world of these massive creatures, revealing their remarkable abilities and incredible accomplishments. Join us as we explore innovation and witness the power that shapes our coastlines and reclaims land. Let's start with the Prinoth Panther T14R. This dump truck can run on a challenging terrain and work in severe situations. The reason is its unique rubber track undercarriage. The tracks get cleaned when they rotate. The undercarriage maintains the track tension to move on any terrain. It offers a payload capacity of 29,100 pounds. The upper 360-degree rotatable suction makes it easy to load and unload without driving back and forth. Several attachments can be used with its rear PTO. A 275 horsepower engine is what powers the Prinoth Panther T14R. It has a top speed of 8.4 miles per hour. Get a glimpse of how sediments are removed from the waters of a port so ships can dock properly at the riverbank. Boskalis, a Dutch company, made this dredging vessel, Krios. It has a large rotating cutter head called the cutter suction dredger. The cutter suction dredger dredges rocks, clay, salts, and silt and sand. It's positioned on spud poles to ensure the vessel is anchored during dredging. The cutter head swings around the main spud when the side wires are pulled. The processed material, together with a large quantity of water, is drawn into the suction mouth. The dredge pump then transports this soil and water mixture through the long discharge pipeline for further transport to the discharge site. Give this ship a good gaze because it does not dredge like typical cutting section dredgers. Instead, it has one or more trailing arms fitted with a suction hopper. The trailing arm is lowered to the bottom of the seabed. It works just like a vacuum cleaner that draws in water and sediment. The mixture is sucked up to the hopper on board the dredger. Once fully filled, the dredger sails to a designated disposal site. It releases the sediments by opening the hopper's bottom doors or using a pipeline. This process ensures waterways remain deep enough for safe navigation. Meet another monster. This time, it is a giant vessel equipped with a large backhoe excavator. The backhoe dredger is securely anchored with 3 spud holes. A barge is docked next to the dredger. The bucket digs soil by moving the boom downward. When the bucket is fully filled, the boom moves up and lifts the bucket above the water. The excavator rotates on the turntable to position the filled bucket above the barge. The dredge material is put into the transport barge. The barge carries the dredge material to the designated spots. Experience the ease of transporting construction materials with the Terramac RT14R. This versatile crawler carrier is designed to excel in a small and delicate work areas with a full 360-degree rotation. You can offload at any angle, then do it all over again and again with maximum efficiency. The use of a 2-speed hydrostatic transmission enables it to surpass its rivals in terms of performance. The truck can move 14 tons of material, and it's also packed with all the safety and comfort features to provide its operators with the highest standard of service. Take a look at this iconic machine made by Bayer. It's a land-based bucket dredger that digs up sand and gravel from shallow waters. It has a conveyor system with buckets. The buckets scoop out the material when they touch the bottom of the water. Water pours out of the holes in the buckets. The material is then transferred to a central silo. After that, the sand is separated from the stones by vibrating on a screen conveyor. The separated sand and the gravel can be transported to the quarry using long conveyor systems. Let's spend some time saving the environment with this intelligent mower boat. A Chinese aquatic machine manufacturer, Reclamation Ltd., has made it for cutting and removing aquatic plants from water bodies. The mower boat is best for mowing works in urban inland waters. It offers high efficiency and safety and can maintain a water area of 225 acres per day and carry up to 150 kilograms of water plants. It's an intelligent and eco-friendly solution for water ecology maintenance. Meet another engineering marvel from the previously mentioned company, Reclamation Ltd. This time it's a bucket chain digger. It's used for the mining of gold and diamonds. Bucket dredgers are versatile machines that can be used in various soil types, ranging from mud to soft rock. These are commonly used to extract fragmented rocks after blasting due to their ability to handle different sizes of stone with minimal sensitivity. Get ready for pond dredging with this amphibious tool carrier. EnviroDredge has made special tracks for it that are not only able to operate on land and water, but also do not leave any visible traces on the ground. You can use a wide range of tools offered by the company. Here is the equipped with the cutter head to carry out dredging operations. The cutting tool slices through the muck beneath the water surface and uses a built-in suction pump to draw out debris. Let's take a cursory look at this bucket ladder dredger made by the Rhoda Odin. Other than typical features, it has a DGPS measurement system. This system monitors how much work has been done in what area and at what depth. Since it's made for dredging seabeds, this bucket ladder dredger is made to float. It transports the excavated material directly in the transport ship and offers dredging capacity of up to 600 meters per hour. Watch the captivating moment of this fascinating machine as it makes its way towards the body of water. Its name is the Dredge King. This versatile amphibious machine has a front excavator arm for carrying the dredging cutter and 4 legs to easily enter and exit the water. They've installed an armored pump and a powerful 225 horsepower Cat diesel engine below the deck. You can move it forward at a speed of up to 6 knots and backwards at a speed of up to 3 knots. It can dredge as deep as up to 20 feet from the water's surface. Since its launch in 2020, this cutting suction dredger has been busy maintaining and improving one of the world's busiest water trade routes, the Suez Canal. The ship is known for its sleek, slender design and tall spud towers. It is 483 feet long and can dredge 115 feet deep underwater. It has 2 cutter heads. For each, a whopping 6,436 horsepower is required. Overall, the ship requires 39,144.43 horsepower. In this clip, you'll see how sand is harvested from the sea. The process involves dredging seabed from special areas under the strict monitoring of experts. Then, sand segregation is done on a floating platform or a barge, where the slurry undergoes a process of sedimentation and settling. The water is allowed to settle and the sand is collected. The extracted sand is transported to the shore using pipelines. It can be used for various purposes, including construction, beach replenishment, and other industrial applications. Right in front of you is the IMS 5012 HP Versa Dredge. It's a durable, self-propelled hydraulic machine perfect for various dredging tasks, including canal, reservoir, and marina projects. It's been used worldwide, especially in the Philippines, Brunei, and the United States. The dredger is highly efficient and equipped with patented bump defender technology that automatically cleans debris and minimizes downtime in areas with high debris levels. This is the Amphibious, a unique white material that looks as a highly absorbent polymer. It makes the Lagoon dredging process much easier by solidifying the sludge. You need around 4,000 pounds of Amphibious for 750 cubic meters of sludge. It's spread across the sludge and mixed in with an excavator. Once the sludge solidifies, you can load it into a dump trailer, and the excavated debris can be disposed of at a landfill. Now you're watching the Maiden's Tower, one of the most valuable symbols in Turkey. It's located on a small islet of the Bosphorus Strait. After 2 years of reconstruction, its doors were recently opened for visitors. The building's facade, dome, and interior were updated with modern materials and techniques while preserving the original architectural style and design. Also, the landscape area around this tower is expanded by boring 198 piles around the tower's islet. Behold the incredible cutterhead, prepare to pulverize compacted soil beneath the water's surface. To move such heavy equipment, spud poles are deployed with anchors to the bottom of the water. The cutterhead moves between the poles by pulling anchor wires. The cutterhead is mounted in the front of the suction head and rotates along the axis of the suction pipe. Its rotation excavates the soil, which is then sucked into the suction pipe as a mixture of solids and water. The material is then pumped to the surface. Cutter dredge material is typically transported through a pipeline using hydraulic methods. Some cutters also have barge loading capabilities. Last but not least, we have the Spartacus. It's the most powerful cutter suction dredger in the world, measuring 164 meters long and 34 meters wide with a draught of 7 meters. Spartacus can handle rocky bottoms and operate up to 45 meters deep. It has a total installed power of 60,000 horsepower. Spartacus is also the world's first CSD powered by liquefied natural gas, LNG, reducing its carbon emissions and environmental impacts. The latter has a heavy cutter and can be controlled by one person from the bridge.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure you check out one of these two for more cool machinery. Feel free to like and subscribe, we always appreciate it. And with that, we'll see you next time.